I'm gonna show y'all how to lace the Air Jordan 1 highs. A lot of y'all still don't know how to lace y'all Jordan 1s yet. And for y'all, some of y'all new sneakerhead, if you don't know, the Air Jordan 1 highs OG do not come laced up. So I'm gonna show y'all how to get that loose lace effect. They come pre-laced with the blue laces, but in my opinion, we not rocking the blue laces. We gonna put the white and sail laces that also come with these shoes. I think the white laces will make this shoe pop even more. So let's go ahead and start this lace transition. Like I said, the Air Jordan 1s, they do not come pre-laced up already. You gotta sit here and lace every Air Jordan 1 sneaker all the way up. Both sneakers at that. So man, y'all take your time. What I like to do first, I like to go ahead and start off at the bottom, and I go ahead and pre-lace 2 of them, and then I line them up right here. You want to line them up, that way you get that even, you want to get it even all the way to the top. Whoa, these some long laces. You want to make sure you got the even amount of laces on both sides. And we're not gonna tie these all the way up. We're going for that loose lace effect. As you can see right here, this side, the left side, got more slack. So we're gonna have to add some more on this side. So we're gonna take this right here, bam, and boom, till we get it both even. All right, we got both sides even. So you just wanna take your time. And see, what I like to do too, I like to go outside in. A lot of other folks like to go inside out, but I think it just look better when you go outside in. But what you want to do, you want to pull it, but you want to have guide it with your thumb so you get that even straight look. You see that straight? You want your laces to be straight at all time when you're lacing them up. So we got that first one in. Now we're gonna start the second one. Like I said, we go outside in. Got it with your thumb and boom. And always make sure you always in with an even slack. Always in where they both sides is even. That's enough talking. We finna go ahead and lace these bad boys up. Now, when I get to this spot right here, when I get to this lace slot right here, this is where I change stuff up. Now, you want to, when you start to go to loop the other side, you see this you see this tab. You want to pull the lace behind this tab right here. The reason we go behind the tab is because you want that look right there. You see how that tongue is displayed and you got that loose lace, but you still have all this tongue showing. Like a lot of folks make the mistake when they tie their shoes, when they tie their Air Jordan 1s, they hide the tongue by tying it. So you go behind the tag and you get that dope look right there. So when you wearing pants, joggers, that tongue is gonna be the first thing a lot of folks see. And we call these the bunny ears. This the bunny ears loose lace. Look how that white make these shoes pop even more. And don't worry about, I know a lot of y'all probably gonna be worried about, well, the loose is too loose, it's too much slack. So if it's just too much slack, all you got to do is just pull it in, bam, pull it in, and then loose up right here, loose up some of this in the forefoot. Problem solved. Look at that, bam, problem solved. Now, since we just laced this one up, I'm gonna go ahead and lace this one up behind the scene. Now that I got both of the sneakers laced up, until next time, it's your average sneaker guy. But y'all know the average don't stand for average, because these shoes right here is not average. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.